This is SimpleSoftware 208 using the template field type. This will be a very short course explaining the template field type, which is very useful for creating a field that has to be manually entered but conforms to some kind of regular pattern. And you don't want to allow the user to enter an invalid field, so you can define a template field, and the user will only be able to input values that conform to the pattern that you enter. So let's create a template field. We're going to just select the input folder from the invoice processing sample and tell it to process from the folder. And we select the template field type for this field. And we'll say that this is the file name and that it's required. Now, for the actual template, if we hit the Set button, we see the full list of options for this template. So let's say this template is a social security number. That would be 3 digits dash 2 digits dash 4 digits. Of course, I put name under the name because I wasn't thinking about a social security number yet. And let's say this template has another template, which is a date. And we want the date to always be in year-month-day format. So we can say pound 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 dash pound 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 pound. So now when we process our job, it pulls up the image and lets you manually enter these fields that you just configured. And if I type anything but a valid social security number, it will show up in red. And once a valid match to the template has been made, it'll turn blue. As you can see, we want the date to have the year first, so when we put it in the correct format, it turns blue. As you can see, when you have an invalid value, it won't let you advance to the next page. So as you can see, the template field is a very easy way to force the user to enter text conforming to a specific pattern and to prevent them from entering invalid values.